So level 9, notice we don't have a dilatation tool, so we have to plot each point individually. Here we have a k-factor of -1, so all the points are being multiplied by -1. The a, which is -2, +4, that gets multiplied by -1. So -2 times -1 is +2, and 4 times -1 is -4. So instead of being -2, +4, it's going to be +2, -4. Okay. The b, instead of being -3, +11, is going to be +3, -11. So we're just switching the signs. Notice this is identical to a 180-degree rotation. So here we're at 5, 10, and so we're going to be at -5, -10. And that's it. Okay, and notice the dilatation, on a dilatation that the lines going through the points and their copies, these little yellow lines, always pass through the origin. Okay, if they don't pass through the origin, then you've made a mistake. Okay, like for example, if I move this A, okay, so it's a little bit off, you can see that this line does not pass through the origin. Okay, that tells you right away that you've made a mistake. There it is. Okay, click the check button to check to see if you're right. And there we go. Okay, here we have a k-factor of 3, so I'm going to multiply all these coordinates by 3. So the a, which is at -3, 4. Okay, -3 times 3 is -9. 4 times 3 is 12, so -9, 12. The b, which is at 4, 4. 4 times 3 is 12, so we're going to be at 12, 12. And the c, -4, -4. -4 times 3 is 12, so -12, -12. Like that. And then click the check button to check to see if you're right. Alright, here's a nice fractional one. So our k-factor is 3/2, and the quick shortcut is divide by 2, multiply by 3. So the a, which is -2, and remember, a negative times a positive is negative, a negative times a negative is a positive. If the signs are the same, they agree, and that's a positive thing. If the signs are different, they disagree, and that's negative. So I have -2 divided by 2, okay, or 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 3 is 3. So my -2 becomes -3. My 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so -3, 12, like that. Okay, and notice the yellow line goes through the origin, so chances are it's correct. B, so we're at 2, 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 3 is 3, so we're going to be at 3, 3. And once again, the yellow line goes through the origin. And C, we're at -4, 2. So -4 divided by 2 is 2 times 3 is 6, so -6. And then the 2 is going to become 3. All right, and there we are. And that's it for dilatations. Have a good day.